welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at one of the most popular and reliable SUVs in the world, the 2026 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 has been a favorite among drivers for years thanks to its practicality, fuel efficiency, and modern technology. For 2026, Toyota continues to improve this compact SUV with updated styling, better technology, and efficient hybrid performance. Starting with the exterior design, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 keeps its rugged SUV look but adds a more modern and aggressive style. At the front, you'll notice a bold grille, sleek LED headlights, and a muscular bumper that gives the vehicle a strong and confident appearance. The sharp body lines along the sides give the RAV4 a sporty look, while the wide wheel arches make it appear more powerful and capable. From the side, the RAV4 shows its true SUV character with high ground clearance and strong proportions. The roof rails add practicality for carrying extra cargo, like bikes or luggage, and the large alloy wheels give the vehicle a premium touch. At the rear, the SUV features stylish LED taillights, a roof spoiler, and a clean tailgate design that completes its modern look. Now let's talk about performance. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 is expected to come with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that produces around 203 horsepower. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that delivers smooth acceleration and good fuel efficiency. Drivers can choose between front-wheel drive for better efficiency or all-wheel drive for improved traction and control. For those who want better fuel economy and extra power, the RAV4 Hybrid is a great option. The hybrid system combines the gasoline engine with electric motors to produce around 219 horsepower. Not only does this version offer stronger performance, but it also delivers excellent fuel efficiency, making it ideal for daily commuting and long trips. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 offers a comfortable and modern interior designed for both drivers and passengers. The dashboard features a large, touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This allows you to easily connect your smartphone for navigation, music, and calls. The seats are designed for comfort, making long drives more enjoyable. Higher trim levels offer premium materials, heated and ventilated seats, and even a panoramic sunroof that adds a bright and open feeling to the cabin. There's also plenty of cargo space in the back, making the RAV4 perfect for family trips, grocery runs, or outdoor adventures. Technology is another highlight of the 2026 RAV4. The SUV includes a digital driver display, wireless smartphone charging, multiple USB ports, and an available premium sound system. These features help make the driving experience more convenient and enjoyable. Safety is also a major focus for Toyota. The 2026 RAV4 comes equipped with the latest Toyota Safety Sense package. This includes advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a pre-collision braking system. These technologies help protect drivers and passengers by preventing accidents and improving driving confidence. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 is expected to start at around $30,000 for the base model. Hybrid versions may start around $33,000, while higher trims with luxury features and all-wheel drive can reach over $40,000 depending on the options you choose. Overall, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 continues to be one of the best compact SUVs on the market. It offers a great balance of performance, fuel efficiency, comfort, and technology. Whether you need a reliable daily driver, a practical family SUV, or an efficient hybrid vehicle, the RAV4 remains a smart choice. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest car reviews and automotive content. See you in the next video.